Crypto trading can seem like a fast way to make money, but is it really that easy? In today's video, we're going to explore the realities of crypto trading, whether you're a beginner or someone who's a little bit more experienced. Understanding the challenges is key to becoming a successful trader. Let's dive right in. Let's get started with why people are actually drawn to crypto trading. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have risen tremendously over the past couple of years, making the market attractive for traders. There's also an opportunity to trade 24/7 thanks to the decentralized nature of the market. With high potential profits and low barrier to entry, it's no wonder why people are eager to jump into crypto trading. But while the market can be lucrative, that doesn't mean it's easy. One of the biggest challenges is volatility. Crypto prices can swing wildly in a matter of hours. Traders who aren't prepared for these swings can lose large amounts of money really fast. Another challenge is market manipulation. Since the market is still relatively young, it's less regulated than traditional financial markets, making it susceptible to manipulation by large players or whales. Unlike traditional stock markets, crypto trading doesn't necessarily require professional certification, but having experience in technical analysis and market trends is crucial. Beginners often struggle because they jump in without learning the basics. You'll need to familiarize yourself with tools like the Candlestick charts, RSI, and moving averages. These help you identify trading opportunities and make informed decisions. But learning how to use these tools effectively takes time and practice. Now, many beginners unfortunately fall into the trap of FOMO, or fear of missing out. When they see a coin skyrocketing, they jump without proper research, hoping to catch the next big win. And of course, this can lead to tremendous losses when the price drops inevitably. Another common pitfall is over-leveraging. Using borrowed funds to trade can amplify your gains, but it can also amplify your losses. Many beginner traders get wiped out by using too much leverage without understanding the actual risks of the leverage. It's also important to note that crypto trading has a steep learning curve. You'll need to understand market psychology, develop strategies that work for you, and most importantly, manage your emotions. The best traders aren't the ones who make quick money. They're the ones who stay disciplined and make informed decisions. It's essential to practice using demo accounts as well before putting real money on the line. Many exchanges offer demo modes where you can test strategies in real time without the actual risk of losing your money. So, is crypto trading worth it? The answer depends on your goals and how much time and effort you're willing to invest. While it's not easy, crypto trading can be highly rewarding for those who take the time to learn and develop strong strategies. Just remember, the road to success in crypto trading is filled with ups and downs. But with the right approach, you can navigate this exciting market and turn it into a profitable venture. So that's it for today's breakdown of whether crypto trading is easy. If you're just starting out, take your time, practice, and learn as much as you can before diving in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit bcoin.net for more tips on how to succeed in the crypto world.